In today's short analysis video, we will discuss on Visa stock. My dear friends, this stock has broken out from an important resistance level, and along with that there are multiple positive factors which has already been materialized, and it would allow us to capitalize on an opportunity to buy this stock. We can initiate a buy position before an upside rally get triggered. Dear friends, if you'll make a closer look, this was on top where the stock had given a price-wise correction in the form of downward sloping parallel channel. And as long as the stock was under this downward sloping parallel channel, the stock got triggered with back-to-back lower lows. The first lower lows trigger over here, the second lower lows over here, and the third lower lows here. But as soon as this downward sloping parallel channel got trigger on the upper side, first time its lower lows shifted to higher highs. And this is an area where we got in two major positive signal. The first one is downward sloping parallel channel trigger on the upper side, and the second one is lower lows shifted to higher highs. Whenever the lower lows get shifted to higher highs, we take that area as a confirmation that stock has completed the correction and it's ready for an upside move. And finally, my dear friends, we will check the diversion. If you'll place an RSI indicators or MACD, you will be surprised to know that even the diversion is showing you the positive diversion over here. If you'll see, the price action is tilting on the downside. If you'll see here, the price action is tilting on the downside and the RSI is tilting on the upper side, and this is an area where we are getting in breakout. And finally, and the most important signal, that will be in chart structure. If you'll see over here, you will able to see there is a triangular chart pattern breakout. If you'll make a closer look, we got a clear breakout from a triangular pattern, and very soon you will witness the target. The stock will be reaching with a target of $363. That will be a target one, which will mark in green color, and the second target will be 371. So there is a gap between 363 and $371. So there is a high probability that stock will come to fill the gap, and in between the the area from the trigger line, or you can say there is an entry line, or you can say it has a neckline. It's all same: neckline, entry line, trigger line, it's all the same. The area from the neckline towards the target, in between there will be some resistance which we will mark in blue color. So the stock may face a rejection at the resistance level, and it may come to retest the neckline. There is a probability that stock will go up, it will face a rejection, and it will come down to retest the neckline, or it will come for a deep retracement to retest this trend line, and then it will start an upside move. So there is a probability that stock may face a rejection, and you have to keep your mindset ready to face the volatility, and your stop loss should be below this lower swing on closing basis, which we will mark in red color. So this is a lower swing on closing basis. This should be your stop loss. So this is it for today's, my dear friends. If you like our analysis, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more such videos.